Hello, trading is closed on September 12, 2016. We had a few MEJT targets from Friday's pattern. It's incredible that they printed after a futures market which dropped to just over 2100, but we got 2147.27 and had resistance over it, and we got 2161.71 and had resistance over it. We also get to cross another target off the list, 2125.94, and support under it. Well, I said I thought these prices had a chance to print if we gapped up sharply. Obviously, we didn't gap up sharply, but they printed anyway. That's too bad that I didn't allow for a gap down, which was promptly reversed, but I didn't. And I'm going to have to include that in my spiel from now on. The mechanism here is the same. We have a sign of panic selling by the public as the market's closing. Huge drop in the futures market when only the amateurs are trading. And as soon as the amateurs have some competition from the pros, it's reversed promptly. I also said if we didn't have a gap up sharply, that Friday's decline would be confirmed, and that remains true. Once you break even one tick under this low, we get confirmation of the break of the trend line, so I'm getting rid of this. And we have a target in the 2030s. The target changes every day. You're supposed to trade under the line by the length here. So we're still in the high, maybe that's 2040 by the time we drop there. It might even be 2050. But you get the idea. We have a ways to go. And that's a target. It isn't a stop and reverse level. And we should have 3 weeks of decline ahead of us if I'm reading the pattern correctly. As far as Tuesday is concerned, we have an all-day rally which cannot close over the middle of the day high, unless we immediately negate that negative pattern by gapping over these highs, or at least trading over them promptly. Lower prices should print. I think lower prices are going to print for a number of reasons. During today's strong rally, breadth actually deteriorated. If you look at the volatility index, well, the Bollingers aren't here, but trust me, this went way over the upper Bollinger Band and then went under it. That's a sell signal. And we have 3 lower MEJT targets. 2145.87, most likely to print tomorrow. 2130.85, 95% chance of printing tomorrow. If not, then forget it. And 2129.59, which ultimately should print. It doesn't have to print tomorrow, but usually you don't have to wait long. So I think this is a rally on reduced volume. It's overlapping. I think Friday's break is the real thing. And I look for lower prices on Tuesday. Gapping up sharply as always puts these numbers possibly out of reach, and that's today's call.